now we discuss about tricks to know type of hybridization in a molecule. Okay, so if you want to know which type of hybridization is present in a given molecule, so you have to know some of few points. So first one is how many number of atoms attached. Okay. Second is atomic number. Atomic number of central atom. And next one is lone pair. इस हाइब्रिडाइजेशन जानने के लिए आपको तीन चीजों की पता होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट, कितने एटम्स अटैच है वो सेंट्रल एटम को. नेक्स्ट इज उसका एटॉमिक नंबर और लास्ट वन इज लोन पेयर. So lone pair means the electron which is present in valence but does not take part in the bonding. Okay, these electrons are also called non-bonding electrons. So there is one simple. If you want to know the hybridization of any molecule, there is a simple formula. Hybridization is equals to number of atom attached to the central atom plus lone pair. Okay. Now first you have to know different types of hybridization. So you know about the hybridization. First one is sp. So here one s and one p or orbital combines and form two hybrid orbital. Here sp2, one s and two p orbital overlap and form three hybrid orbital. Similarly in sp3 also one s and three p overlap and form get hybridized and form 4 hybrid orbital. In sp3d, 1s, 3p and 1d get hybridized and form 5 hybrid orbital. In sp3d2, 1s, 3p and 2d orbital overlap and form 6 hybrid orbital. Now let's see with the one simple example. CCl4. So in CCl4, central atom is carbon. Okay, carbon is a central atom, and first we have to know the atomic number of carbon is how much? 6. So its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay, if you write configuration in ground state, so I am writing only valence shell configuration. So 2s and 2p. Okay, now same in excited state, 2s, 2s and 2p. Now see here how many total number of orbitals are available for hybridization. 1 2s and 3 2p orbital. Okay, now with the help of this formula we can easily know the which type of hybridization is present. So hybridization means number of atom attached to the central atom plus lone pair of electron. Now here in this case, how many total number of atoms get attached to the central atom is how many total? 4. Okay, how much? 4 plus there is no any lone pair of electrons are present, means here 0. So answer is how much? 4. So here 4 correspond to which sp3 hybridization. So in CCl4 hybridization is sp3, and here also it is clear. One s orbital and 3 p orbitals are available, so that's why the hybridization is sp3, and geometry is tetrahedral. Now take one more example where lone pair of electron is present. So next example is NH3. So for NH3 again see here nitrogen is central atom. Okay. Now For this you have to know the atomic number of central atom is nitrogen. So atomic number is 7. So write down configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now in in ground state, two s and 2p. Now in here how many orbitals are available? 2s and 2p. So here if you want to know the hybridization in NS3, so use this formula. Hybridization equals to number of atom attached to the central atom plus lone pair of electron. Now here total number of atom attached to the central atom is how many total? Total 3. 3 atoms are attached to this central atom, means 3 hydrogen atom is attached to the nitrogen, means 3 plus. Now see here in 2s 2 electrons are present, means these 2 orbitals, and here this electron behave as a lone pair. This lone pair means pair of electron, means one pair of electron is present. So here one pair of electron means lone pair. So 3 plus 1 again equals to 4, and 4 correspond to sp3 hybridization, means in NS3 hybridization present is sp3. Okay, sp3 hybridization. Now take one more example, PCl5. So phosphorus, first is what? Atomic number of phosphorus is how much? 15. Okay, and phosphorus is central atom, and total number of 5 atoms are attached to this central atom. So now I am writing only excited state configuration. And 3D. Okay, in an excited state, one 3s orbital, 3p orbital and 1 d orbitals are available. So here no any lone pair of electron. Now if you know the hybridization, so first is what? How many total number of atoms attached to the central atom is here in this formula. How many total number of atoms are attached? Total 5. And now see here there is no any lone pair of electrons. So here write 0, means answer is how much? 5. Okay. Now 5 correspond to which type of hybridization? sp3d. sp3d. So here S P3 and D, means 1s, 3p and 1 3d orbital are available. So here type of hybridization is sp3d. Okay, so this is about how you can know the type of hybridization in a molecule.
So friends, this is all about today's topics, means how to know the type of hybridization in a given molecule. So in next video I will again take some new interesting topic. means अगले वीडियो में हम नए टॉपिक, नए इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक मैं लेकर आऊँगी. ओके, थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.